Okay, now the fantastic news is that this piece again is also comprised mostly of steps. There are very few skips, and we've pretty much covered them in the hard part that we've just done. Now, let's do the first line, and then we'll add another 2 measures. So let's do actually up until measure 6. We're going to do up until measure 6 because this is kind of the what I like to call the A section of the piece, and that's going to be a nice place for us to repeat 5 times in a row. So let's do it. I'll do it slowly. From the beginning, A string, ready. Well, let's get our first fingers ready because that's going to be the second note. Okay, ready, go. Now circle, and we do the same thing. Now, if you're really a pro, the second time you do that hard part, do it softer. It's like an echo. Let's go back. We'll do another 4 times. Get your A1 ready. Good. On the A string, 1, 2. Ready, go. And softer. Okay, we have to do it now 3 more times. A string, 1, 2, ready, go. And back. Last time. A1, A1. 1, 2. Ready, go. And softly. Is that hard part still giving you trouble? If it is, just try this. Try open strings, which means playing no left hand, just the right hand. Just those 2 bars, measures 5 and 6, which goes like this. I played that 3 times, just so you understand. Now let's play with the left hand. And another 2 times. Last time. Good. Now, it's time to go on. We're going to do measures 7 to 10, 5 times. This is what I like to call the B section. Now this one starts on the E string, and we have a backwards curve to the A string with a 3rd finger. So let's get that 3rd finger ready. Test with D string. And we're going to hover above. E string, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do another 4 times. E string, 1, get your 3rd finger ready over the A string, 1, 2, ready, go. Another 3 times. Get your D in tune with the D string. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, 2 more times, making sure not to rush. Your ups have to equal your down lows. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, the next time, we're going to do it last time, and I want you to play until the first measure of the next section, which is the C section, beginning in measure 11. And the reason for that is I want to make a point. There are 2 down bows. Did you notice that? One at the end of measure 10 and one at the beginning of measure 11. that's called a retake. That's like a quick circle. It's not a quick circle in the sense that we want to play like, but it's a quick circle in the sense that it's not, you don't have the time, you don't have a rest to circle. You're just going to have to play down and then down again. Just, in a relaxed manner, but you have to still be on time. So let's play. You'll see what I mean. 1, 2, ready, go. See? Let's do one last time just so you can get the hang of it. Again, that's called a retake. So we've just played to the first measure of the C section, which is measure 11 to the end. Now let's combine everything together. Let's combine the beginning until the first measure, the first note of the C section. From the beginning. Get your A1 ready. On the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Four more times. 1, 2, ready, go. Three times. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Okay.